Hello everyone. Today is 9th October 2021. Our today's Viva topic is wrapper class in Java. Before start our Viva topic, I am going to introduce myself. My name is Gajan Hanman Surose. I am from Osmanabad. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering in Pune University. Now we will return to our Viva topic. So we will discuss about wrapper class in Java and also uses of wrapper class in Java. So mm, firstly, what is mean by wrapper class? The wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. The boxing and unboxing features convert primitives into objects and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing and vice versa unboxing. Then we will say about uses of wrapper classes in Java. Java is object-oriented programming language. So we need to deal with objects many times, like in collections, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let us see the different scenario where we need to use the wrapper class. Wrapper class is used to change the value in method. Mm, in Java programming, Java supports only call by value. So if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value in an object, it will change the original value. Then second is serialization. In Java program, we need to convert the objects into streams to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert it in the objects through the wrapper class. Then third one is synchronization. Java synchronization works with objects in multi-threading. Fourth is Java util package. The Java util package provides the utility classes to deal with the objects. Then fifth is collection framework. Java collection framework works with objects only. All classes of the collection framework, that is array list, linked list, vector hash set, linked hash set, tree set, deal with objects only. Then we will see about how many primitive data type. There are 8 primitive data type, that is int, boolean, character, short, long, float, double. In wrapper class, the first character of primitive data type is bigger, that is boolean is equal to boolean, character is equal to character, long is equal to long, int is equal to in capital integer, float is equal to float, etc. Then we will say about autoboxing. The automatic conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper class is known as autoboxing. For example, byte to byte, character to character, integer to integer, long to long, boolean to boolean, double to double, and short to short. Since Java we do not need the use of the value method of wrapper classes to convert the primitive into objects. Then second is unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper type into the corresponding primitive data type is known as unboxing. It is the reverse process of auto boxing. Since Java, we do not need to use the integer value method of wrapper classes to convert the wrapper type into primitive. So it is all about wrapper class in Java. Thank you.